The term passive income is used to describe a means of making money through several business ideas without actively being involved in the business. But over time, the definition has stretched even further to include digital means as well. The point we're making here is that by having a business or partnership that passively grants you income, well, it's always going to be the next step every successful business person takes in their career. And although the process might seem a bit iffy at times, it's not hard to start up. So take a look at some of these legit methods. Number 1. Start a blog. Blogging is an excellent way to make a passive income. Bloggers can write about anything from parenting to business. The key is to find a topic that interests you and that others are going to be eager to read about. And the best part is, once you've created some content, it will do most of the work for you by automatically posting new articles every time you push new content. Oh, and while we've got your attention, do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you very much. Number 2. Investing. Investing to make passive income is now a wise decision for many people. It allows one to invest their money for the future and get a steady stream of income in return. The types of investments that yield this type of income are dividend stocks, real estate, and even peer-to-peer lending. One example of a dividend stock is Best Buy Co. Inc. It pays its shareholders with a dividend yield of 3.4% and has an annual total return for the past 3 years of almost 10%. The stock is worth only $35 a share, but it pays its holders $100 in dividends each year. Number 3. Start an online course. This is one of the most popular ways to make a passive income. There are many different types of courses that you can create and teach, from photography to language courses. People tend to prefer these types of online courses because they can be done anytime and anywhere. And depending on how you choose to set up your course, you can either be paid by the hour or per class. The bottom line is that this method is often underestimated for something so lucrative. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing makes for a great passive income stream. It involves buying and selling other people's products online on the company's behalf. As an affiliate marketer, it is important to find products that you like and believe you can inspire others with. A good idea is to pick up a product where you can properly describe the details of the product and what it does before you promote it. But overall, it's important to buy a product you think you can sell. Otherwise, it could end up being a bad investment for both you and the company. Number 5. Create your own podcast. Most people know that podcasts are a great way to engage with an audience. But why do podcasts make passive income? Well, they're a great way to create and deliver content to your audience. This includes creating and delivering audio, video, or text. Podcasts can also deliver exclusive materials such as interviews with celebrities or industry leaders. Most podcasts are unpaid because they connect listeners to their favorite artists and people in the community. But once you start generating some buzz in the community, then expect a lot of funds from both the fans and potential sponsors of your podcast. Number 6. Make use of a savings account. A savings account is a place to store your cash that isn't being spent. This means it can be used to make passive income more easily. So rather than having your money sitting in an investment account earning very little interest, you can instead use your savings account to make money for a short period of time. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. Starting up a YouTube channel is a great way to make a passive income. You can create videos on subjects you're passionate about and share your knowledge with the world. And from there, you can monetize your videos by placing ads before them or setting up paid subscriptions for premium content. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. While you're at it, you can also check out our other videos for some more life hack videos. And if you want to know more about the best possible means of living a good life, then we'll see you in the next video. And until then, stay safe, drink water, and have a good day. Bye for now.